If Discord keeps throwing a Captcha verification error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back into your account or finish signing up without the endless loop. This usually happens because of your IP address, browser settings, cache data, or even extensions interfering with the verification process. So we're going to go through the most effective solutions in the right order, and by the end of this video, you should have a much better chance of passing the Captcha successfully. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, turn off your VPN or proxy if you have one enabled. Captcha systems often flag shared IP addresses, especially from VPNs, because lots of people may be using the same connection. So if you're on a VPN, disconnect it completely and then reload Discord and try the verification again. If you're using a proxy through your browser or device settings, disable that as well before testing. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to switch to a different network. You can connect to another Wi-Fi network if one is available, or you can turn on your phone's hotspot and connect your computer or device to that instead. This helps because sometimes the network itself has been flagged, or the current IP is being blocked by the Captcha service. A fresh network connection can make a big difference, especially if you've been trying the Captcha repeatedly on the same connection. Now let's try opening Discord in an incognito or private browsing window. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window. This is useful because it starts a clean browser session without using the same cache session data, cookies, or some stored settings that may be causing the issue. Once the private window opens, go back to Discord and try the Captcha again. If the problem is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies next. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Browsing Data or History Options, and choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files first, and if the option is available, also clear cookies and other site data. Cached files can sometimes keep Discord stuck in a broken state, and clearing them forces the page to reload properly. After clearing the data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and test the Captcha again. Another very important fix is disabling browser extensions. Some ad blockers, script blockers, privacy extensions, or even security-related add-ons can interfere with Captcha loading and verification. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that could interfere with page scripts or Captcha elements. After disabling them, refresh Discord and try the challenge again. If it starts working, you'll know one of those extensions was the problem. At this point, if the Captcha is finally showing correctly, take your time with it. Complete the Captcha normally and don't rush through it. Select the images carefully, wait a few seconds if needed, and avoid clicking unusually fast. Some verification systems can detect suspicious behavior if the challenge is completed too quickly or too mechanically. Once you've finished, click Verify and give Discord a moment to process the result. If it still fails after all of that, try repeating the steps in combination. For example, use a different network and an incognito window at the same time, or disable extensions after clearing cookies. These issues can stack together, so sometimes one fix alone isn't enough. The key is to remove anything that could make your connection look suspicious or interfere with the browser session. And that's how to fix the Discord Captcha verification error step by step. In most cases, one of these solutions will get you through: turning off the VPN, switching networks, using incognito mode, clearing cache and cookies, or disabling extensions. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.